Welcome, fam. Some mornings, you don't even feel stiff, you feel stuck. Like your body's holding tension you didn't choose. Shoulders heavy, hips locked, breath shallow. This 5-minute reset will shake that off without shaking you up. Let's hit the mat. Let's light the fire from your foundation. Start kneeling tall, hips stacked over knees. Now hinge back at the hips slowly. Then drive your hips forward to return upright. Feel the stretch in your quads and the squeeze in your glutes. This movement repatterns a weak posture into a strong launch pad. I promise, this isn't just a glute warm-up. It reteaches your hips to drive power and control. Beginners, place your hands at your sides or use a block between the heels. Advanced stretches, cross the arms over the chest and slow the descent. Pause at the bottom. Hold for 5, feel the tension build, and power back up. That just activated your hip drive. Now let's stretch what's been slouching. Stay kneeling. Now clasp your hands behind your back. Open your chest, lift your heart, draw your shoulders down and away from your ears. You sit, scroll, and shrink all day. This reverses that in 30 seconds flat. I promise this move will restore posture, unlock shoulder tightness, and cue your nervous system to stop racing. Beginners, keep the arms low and elbows slightly bent. Advanced stretches, straighten the arms and gently lift the fists away from the lower back. Still holding? Add a deep inhale and feel the front of your chest bloom open. Now pause. Five more seconds. Do you feel the pull from your collarbone to your fingers? That's stored tension letting go. Let's flip the focus now. Hips take center stage. On all fours, core tight, lift one knee out to the side like you're opening a door with your leg. Back flat, no wobble, all control. This one surprises people. It looks easy until it's not. I promise, fire hydrants will wake up your glute medius, the forgotten stabilizer, and protect your knees and back from lazy mechanics. Beginners, a smaller range. Advanced stretches, add a pulse at the top. Ready for a surprise? Your hips affect how your shoulders move. Keep both sides even. Five more seconds on each. That just activated your stability. Now let's mobilize from the inside out. Get into a low squat position, then drop your right knee towards your left foot, come back to center, and switch sides. It's awkward at first, that's good. You're moving into angles most people avoid. I promise, this improves joint control, balances the hips, and frees up stiffness you didn't even know you were carrying. Beginners, hands in front and drop the knee all the way to the floor. Advanced stretches, hover your knee just above the ground. Here's a shocker. Most people stretch around the hips, not inside them. This hits the inside. Can you stay smooth for 5 more seconds? Now let's end with motion that brings it all together. Stand up, hands on hips, make wide slow circles with your hips like you're tracing the inside of a barrel. Back, other side, then switch directions. This is your full body integration. The hips, spine, core, and even your breath move in unison. I promise, this builds coordination, boosts blood flow, and reconnects you to your body's rhythm. Beginners, keep circles smaller. Advanced stretches, add arm circles to sync the upper body. Final challenge. 5 more seconds. Eyes closed. Feel the center of gravity shift and return. That just resets your posture and your power.